Okay. So the other quick thing about this is it should be readable. Okay. So part of what I would do going through here as well is I would say, creative writing student or switching mid, aspiring creative writer. Changing industries mid-career after over 2 decades in the field of data science. After 2 decades, I will say as a data scientist, working in public health, agriculture, and technology. Background in critical AI, critical studies, and AI ethics. Currently interested in pursuing a liberal arts for transfer degree and to allow me to study literature at Bennington College. Top level. This is my elevator pitch. Okay. These are some of my sources I went through in the last one. Okay. I'm going to move that one down there. Let's see what else we got for this. All right. You should introduce your topic and provide a detailed explanation and conclusion. Okay. So part of what I'm going to do here is talk about, this is my elevator pitch. This is my pitch. Okay. And then my narrative. So I'm going to take what I've learned here and talk to or speak to why I've reached this conclusion or why I want to go with this particular topic. So let's see. All right. So my narrative. Okay. After building a successful career, this will look differently, for some of you. So, as maybe we'll start, as a new student in the, as a new student eager to obtain a more in-depth appreciation and knowledge of the visual and creative arts. I recently decided to go back to school to pursue a second career. What led me to this journey? Well, as a single parent, it became unsustainable to continue within the context of a global pandemic to work full-time to be present for my kid. In addition, having reached a stage and realized I was more passionate about writing stories and poems than code, it became clear it was time for something new. So, to further my education, I went back into the classroom and have been taking art classes, studio art classes, at the community colleges. Vermont is a transfer student. It is my intention to transfer to Bennington College as through the Vermont State College's reciprocal, it's not spelled right, transfer agreement. Okay. What else do I need to get in here? Okay, I need a source from Hartness Library. Right. So let's see, where are we? There we go. Okay, so I come into my CCV portal. And again, this is if we're in the main website. On this drop down, I come over here, I see portal. You can go ahead and bookmark your portal. Okay, it's never going to change. So your landing page. Okay. The library in here, go ahead and click on that. All right, I'm going to log in. Okay, so I want to find, let's see. I'm going to use something. Let's look at primary sources. Let's see what we got here. Newspapers as primary sources, global data and statistics. Let's see. Okay. Nope. Okay. So let's see. I might have to do some digging. Let's see. Career in literature. I'll start there. Career at the beginning in literature. Let's see. 1988. It's a little bit dated. Okay, so that may not help me. So if I may be looking for more recent information about careers in literature, I might come down here. I'm going to edit the date range. I'm going to say, up until, a month from now. But let's go back just the last 2 years to June. Update this. Oh, no, nothing there. Okay. So let's say creative writing. And again, these are all New York Times articles. So, nope. Let's go back. Career in literature. All right. We'll see. Creative writing MFA. Let's see what we got. The degree they love to hate. The proliferation power of MFAs in creative writing has inspired heated scholarly debate. Aspiring novelists take note. All right. Let's see what we have to say here. When was this published? 2015. Okay. So starting from here, my CCV portal, I clicked on library. I logged in. Okay. Came over here. I said find primary sources. Okay. New York Times Historical is what I'm using now, but as you'll see, there's others available to us. So I could do global data statistics. Let's see, maybe we could find out World Economic Outlook database. Let me go here real quick. Okay, let's see. Research, World Economic Outlook. Right. Economic Outlook databases. Okay. Go ahead and click on this. By country groups. I'm going to go back. I'm going to just do it by countries in this one. I am going to select, I'm just interested in North America right now. Whole concept of advanced and emerging is problematic, but it's okay. I'm going to click on U for the United States. Okay. Click continue. All right, gross domestic products. These are all the data sets that are available to me. So again, from primary sources, I came to the IMS World Economic Outlook database. I am interested in monetary trade, people. Okay, I'm going to click on population and employment. All right, so clicked on these two. Okay, go to my next one. Okay, prepare report. Let's see what we end up with. Okay, so it is downloading this as an Excel. Okay. Let's see. And downloads. Double click it. And see what we've got in our Excel sheet here. So, again, we kind of started here with this document. This is my script. It should be nice and professional, but it doesn't have to have everything in it. Okay. We do want to make sure that you're addressing, yes, some design elements. All right. So Excel has gone and been helpful in taking that data and dumped it into this. So I don't know that this is what I wanted, though. This is just people, number of people in a given place. It's not what I asked it for. So let me go back. All right. I'm going to try a different one. Try a different process. Didn't give me what I wanted. Let me back up a few steps. Employment. I'm going to start over. Okay. By country. Advanced economies. United States. I want to know how many people are employed as writers in the United States. Clear all and then select. Oh, I see. I did the wrong thing. Okay, so it makes a difference when you do that. Okay, I'm gonna go down here. Let's see. It was employment and population. I think this is just going to be global statistics. I don't know that it's going to give me by industry, but I have a different set for that, so we'll get to that one next. Okay, prepare report. This is what it looks like. So I went through all that to just get these two data points. Okay. So that's not what I was looking for. What this tells me is that in the United States, employment rate, okay, 1.47 million people are in the workforce against a population of 331 million. So this specifies that it's in the scale is millions. So I know that this is telling me in millions. Okay. But I could then use this, as a starting point. So I'm going to bring this in here and say, according to the IMF, International Monetary Fund, it is the, let me make this down. Okay, the World Economic Outlook database. There are 100 and what was that? 140. Oh, it's actually gone up. So we will say in the year 2020, there were 147 million persons, we'll say people, employed in the United States. Now, this is a general rough estimate. So, according to, we're going to say there were roughly. Okay, I'm going to now add another site. Let's see. This is a document from a website. Okay, the corporate author is the International Monetary Fund. Okay, name of the website. I'm going to download the report. Show all fields. Okay. Let's see. Actually, this is a report, so we're going to call it a report. The title of this report is, yes. Okay, so the title of this report, we're going to give it our own title, but this is the World Economic Outlook database. Okay, so World Economic Outlook database. Okay, it is from 2022. I don't have a city on it. I don't have a report type. I don't have a department either. Oh, well, I do. Okay, so the World Economic and Financial Surveys. So I'm going to capitalize D for database because it's proper. Institution is, again, the IMF. Okay, that was the World Economic and Financial Surveys. Okay. All right, so this is a data report. Click OK. Okay. All right, so now it's there. Okay, now I don't see it yet in my bibliography, so I'm going to come click on my bibliography, hit update, and now it's appeared. So I'm going to insert a page break now because I want my bibliography to be on a different page. I'm going to go ahead and do a page break. Okay, now that ends there. I'm also going to add a footer and a header. I'm going to specify them. Let's see, what do I want? I want to add that. Okay, and then move this down a little bit, like that style. Okay. All right. I'm going to add my name here, Hillary Nicole. Oops. We're going to do the date, November. Oh, we're going to actually click on date, insert automatically. I'm going to do OK. And then I'm going to insert a page number here. Here we go. Okay. I'm going to delete this. All right. Okay. So now I've got, my name at the bottom. Got this dude up top. Let's see, is he? Okay. Now I also want the header to only appear. Let's see. I'm going to edit the header. I only want it on the first page, but it doesn't look like it's going to give me that option. So we're going to leave it at the moment. Oh, wait, here we go. There we go. So let's see. Different first page. Okay, so I do want the first page to have that, but I don't. Okay, I want that one there. I do different of it in each page. See what happens. Okay. Let's see what I can put in here now. I will do CIS 1041 fall 2022, and then individual script, module, whatever it is. Okay. All right. So this is the types of things I'm looking for in your individual script. Okay. All right. So there are roughly this many people in the labor force, excuse me, but I am specifically interested in, let's see, the Bureau of Labor Statistics, data tools. Okay. So I'm going to look the data finder. So I'm interested in literature. I don't even know if this is going to work, but employment for foreign language and literature teachers. There we go. Okay. So occupational categories. And we've got a lot of information here. So I'm going to remove literature from the query, and I'm going to add writer. And nothing is there. Okay. So we will say, again, author maybe? Nothing. Artist. Educational field. Okay, let's see. Measure categories. Let's see what we got here. Private industry workers, wages and salary by occupation, all customer units. All right, let's see what we got. This is just a general one. It's not giving us what we need. Okay, so I want to know how many people are employed. Industry finder. Okay, creative industry. Okay, here we go. Let's search for writer. Script writers, technical writers, writer, independent freelance, independent writers. Okay, this kind of tells me who's included. So in this index of items, who's included? Artists in general, ghostwriters, independent technical writers, songwriters, writers, novelists, I guess, too. Yeah. Okay. So I think this is the one I'm going to use. Okay. I'm going to say get data. And let's see now. Let's see. This is February 2022, first quarter. So this looks like got some further granularity here. So let's see. Let's apply a filter value for Vermont. Let's see what happens. Clear. Okay. Let's see. We'll just scroll through it. Okay, here we go. So total quarterly wages in non-reporting in Bennington County. So it looks like we got a couple counties that are reporting. Okay. So for this given NASIX code, which is basically independent artists, I find that in Rutland, the average salary